Guys, I picked up, this is a 21 Raven model, Model X Tesla, and unfortunately after picking it up I noticed that the tail lights are foggy or condensation and it doesn't go away. It's kind of dried up a little bit, but it doesn't go away, so it needs to be resealed. There's something more to it than just normal condensation. So I have two choices. I'm going to either replace it or reseal it. So I decided to reseal it, but the only way to reseal it, you got to take everything apart to get to it. So hopefully it's not going to be, I'm sure it is going to be, but I'm going to have to access here to get to this. Right? I wish it was this right here, but anyways, it seems like a lot of parts to get to it. I saw some stuff online, not really helpful. So it's going to be something I'm going to be doing. Hopefully I can help show what's next or how to do it. So let's get to the, almost hit my head on this. Let's try to get to this. This comes out, of course. Yep, pull this out. Is that oil? This is sticky. Yeah. So pull this out so you can get the panels out. I think that's a T10. That means I gotta go over here to get this out. Okay. Alright, two right here. That one's too big. Yeah, bigger one. It's probably 30. I think I have one right here. Still T20. Oh, okay. But I think this is a 25. But whatever. Still fits. Wow, more screws. God, there's a lot of screws. Looks like this has to come out maybe, so I can access the bottom of this. Let's see. Keeps on going. One more back here. This is a pain in the jerk. See the clips? There's clips in here. Get that out. Oh my god. This is ridiculous. The bottom to get this off. Oh, that's why. Whoa. You'll never take that out because there's a bolt right there. There's a bolt right there. You'll never be able to get it out. You'll break this thing. So, FYI. Okay. This killing me. Another piece. Another to get to this. These pop out easy and some of them don't. You just don't want to give. A couple more of the push tabs. And get rid of this carpet. Another piece. Now, push tab here. This one, try to get out from the top there. I struggled with that one because it was hard to get out that. So that's coming out right here. Oh my god. Oh, it just keeps on going. I don't know if I take that out. I'm assuming that whole thing will come out. Hopefully. I forgot I had this tool. This one made my life harder without it, like a dummy. Totally forgot. You know if it can fit. Hey.
What happened, darling?
I'm trying to get to the tail light.
The tail light?
Yeah, and you gotta take all this out.
The collar's not on, Dad.
No.
Sounds like it's a wiring. You gotta be careful with the wires.
Yeah. Oh.
Why? What happened?
There's too many pieces.
Yeah.
Unplug. Make sure you unplug the subwoofer.
Yep.
I think I'm getting there.
Actually.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
I think I'm almost there.
Yo.
Okay, there's 3 bolts to this. Okay. Subwoofer. All that to get to this. Literally. Oh, are you kidding me? Well, it's hard. Okay, let's turn on the light here. Can you see? So, just to get to that bolt. Is there a light? There's a bolt right here. There we go. That bolt. That bolt. Is there a third bolt? All that. Gotta squeeze this out. There you go. All that crap to get to the damn tail light. Alright. And before I was gonna yank it, one more. Obviously, because it's holding, it's an L shape, right? So I probably would have been yanking on it if I didn't pull this insulation out. So FYI, make sure you remember there's 3. I think there's no more three bolts. Hindsight, I'm not sure if that bolt was covering for this or for just this part. But hey, you know, I'm already coming out, so that actually might be something else. So now, am I missing anything else? No? Yep. That's why I had to get that bolt. So, kind of out and about. All that. Let me get this washer out. Put it there. Whoosh. I'm in a pain in the butt. So where am I sealing it? Is that bad? Maybe not. It's actually working. Alright guys, so I got some silicone RTV. I'm sitting here gonna seal it up. Hopefully this will set right. I'm crossing my fingers on it. And then once it's done, let it dry and reverse everything. I hope this video is helpful for you. I couldn't find anything that's even close to this video. So I hope it's gonna be beneficial to you and make you think if you really want to take it apart. Because it's a lot of time, a lot of parts. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you want to subscribe to my channel, and peace out, guys.